It's 6 minutes after 5 o'clock now. The FDA has approved Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine for kids 12 and up. Today, though, the CDC is expected to send out its approval and recommendations. Some local hospitals are already starting to schedule appointments. First News reporter Desiree Goslin spoke with Akron Children's. She's live now in the newsroom with what she found out. Desiree.
Good morning. So the Pfizer vaccine has been expanded for children 12 years of age and older, but that is only the Pfizer vaccine. Moderna and J&J have not been approved for anybody who is less than 18 years old. But we know a lot of you parents out there still have many questions surrounding these vaccines. So I went in depth and had a pretty long conversation with a pediatric specialist to try and answer some of those questions for you. And one of the most common questions they hear at Akron Children's is, will there be any long-term side effects from the vaccine? Dr. Michael Bigham tells me that's simply just not how vaccines work. They are administered, they trigger an immune response so that the body builds up antibodies, and that's really about it. He says there's no data out there to support there being any long-term hidden side effects.
The vaccine hasn't been given in kids 12 to 15 for years, and so we don't know what the long-term consequences are. I think there's two things to be reassured by. Number one is that we've got decades and decades of experience of vaccine development and vaccine experience, and it's really uncommon and not really biologically plausible even to anticipate that a vaccine that I got today is likely to cause a complication in a year from now.
The other thing to be reassured by, he says, is that they have been studying this vaccine extensively in the adults who have gotten it, and they haven't seen any long-term side effects from that. But there are still some other questions surrounding how long this vaccine will last. I asked him about that, and I'm going to be giving you his answer here in the next half hour. Reporting in the newsroom, Desiree Goslin, WKBN 27 First News.